Hello friends! In this video, we're diving into the world of delicious flavors and adventure in pastry making. I'll be sharing with you unique and easy ideas to create tasty pastries at home, whether you're a beginner or an expert in the culinary world. Together, we'll explore new shapes and forms of pastries. Join me to discover a variety of pastries and learn how to add an artistic touch to your table with creative and flavorful dishes. Let's embark on this enjoyable journey into the world of pastries. First, let's prepare the dough. We'll need a cup of milk, a packet of instant yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, a quarter cup of oil, and 1 egg. Mix all the ingredients well and gradually add flour until you get a smooth dough. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Knead the dough well and let it ferment for 30 minutes before shaping. Once the dough is ready, we'll divide it into equal balls. Then, in a small mold, we'll shape them as shown in the video. After that, we'll add any type of cheese or cream in the center of the mold, sprinkle with any type of nuts, and bake in the oven. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français, et en anglais. For this shape, after dividing and rolling out the dough, we'll fold the sides and roll it up, arranging it in a tray. We'll brush it with egg wash, sprinkle with sesame seeds, and then bake it in the oven. It will come out looking delicious and beautiful. The same process applies to the remaining shapes. I'll leave you with the video and the simple shaping technique. Creating delectable pastries that are flaky, tender, and bursting with flavor is an art form that takes practice, patience, and a few insider tips. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, mastering the techniques of pastry making can elevate your culinary skills to new heights. Here are 10 invaluable tips to help you achieve pastry perfection. 1. Start with quality ingredients. The foundation of any great pastry is high-quality ingredients. From premium butter to fresh eggs and top-notch flour, using the best ingredients you can afford will greatly enhance the flavor and texture of your pastries. 2. Keep it cool. When working with pastry dough, it's essential to keep your ingredients cold. Chilled butter and ice water help create those sought-after flaky layers that make pastries irresistible. 3. Precision in measurement. Baking is a science, and accuracy is key. Invest in a reliable kitchen scale and measuring cups to ensure that you're adding the right amounts of each ingredient for consistent results every time. 4. Handle with care. Overworking pastry dough can lead to tough, dense pastries. Handle the dough gently and avoid over-kneading or over-mixing to maintain its delicate texture. 5. Light touch. When rolling out dough or shaping pastries, use a light touch to avoid compressing the layers. A gentle touch will help ensure that your pastries bake up light and airy. 6. Chill before baking. Before baking your pastries, give them some time to chill in the refrigerator. This helps relax the gluten in the dough and prevents shrinkage during baking. 7. Preheat oven properly. Always preheat your oven before baking pastries. A properly preheated oven ensures even baking and helps pastries rise to their full potential. 8. Line baking sheets. To prevent sticking and ensure easy cleanup, line your baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats before placing your pastries on them. 9. Egg wash for shine. For a beautiful golden brown finish, brush your pastries with an egg wash before baking. This simple step adds shine and enhances the visual appeal of your creations. 10. Patience is key. Allow your pastries to cool completely before serving. This allows the flavors to develop fully and prevents them from becoming soggy.